students, in the previous videos, we have studied about the capacitance and principle of capacitor and parallel plate capacitor. Okay, so parallel plate capacitor capacitance equal to epsilon naught A by D, means capacitance of parallel plate capacitor depends upon the area of the plate and distance between the two plates and also permittivity. Okay, epsilon naught. So C equal to epsilon naught A by D. Now we have here going to start series combination of capacitor. Okay, then parallel combination. So first we'll discuss here series combination of capacitor. So look at that here. There are the three capacitor whose capacitances are C1, C2 and C3. Okay, so here first plate connected with the potential V, positive terminal of the V, potential V, and second plate of the first capacitor connected with the first plate of the second capacitor, and second plate of the second capacitor connected with the first plate of the third capacitor, and second plate of the third capacitor connected with the negative terminal of the battery here. Okay, so if the positive charge given to the first plate of the first capacitor, due to induction, negative charge induced in the nearer surface of the second plate, okay, of the first capacitor, and positive charge goes on the outer surface and it passes through the first plate of the second capacitor. Similar of this process is in the third capacitor also. Okay, so all these first plate on the all three capacitor have the positive charge and negative charge in the second plate in the nearer surface, front surface, due to induction. In the series combination, here important point are there. Series combination, charges are the same and potential are different here. Here first plate, first capacitor having the potential V1, second one have the V2 and third one have the V3. So V1 equal to, as you know that capacitance here Q is directly proportional to V, so Q equal to CV, means Q is the charge, C is the capacity and V is the potential. So V equal to Q by C. So V1, this potential V1 equal to Q by C1, V2 equal to Q by C2 and V3 equal to Q by C3, because the potential are different and charge are the same, Q, Q, Q. Potential are different here in the all three capacitors. So total potential V equal to sum of the individual potential of each capacitor, V1, V2, V3. So V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Putting the value from this, Q upon C1 plus Q upon C2 plus Q upon C3, and this one is the here net potential V is equal to Q by C. Okay, so Q cancel out and we get here 1 by C equal to 1 upon C1, 1 upon C2, 1 upon C3, or this one is there is V equal to Q by C1, Q by C2, Q by C3. So Q is taken here, so it becomes V by Q, and this V by Q equal to 1 upon C1. So and here C is denoted by here CS. CS means here series. So here V upon Q equal to 1 upon CS. So 1 upon CS equal to 1 upon C1, 1 upon C2, 1 upon C3. So this one is the formula of series combination of capacitor. Means reciprocal of equivalent capacitance is equal to the sum of the reciprocal of individual capacitance. Next one is the parallel combination of capacitor. In parallel combination, these three capacitors are connected. So all capacitors here, first plate connected with the single point, same point, and second plate connected with another same point. Okay, so first having the charge here different capacitor having the different charge in the parallel combination. First capacitor have Q1 charge, second one Q2 charge, third one have Q3 charge, but potential are same here in the parallel plate capacitor. Okay, so potential are same in the parallel combination, but charge are different, and in series combination charge are same and potential are different here. So here charge different here, total charge is suppose from positive terminal goes to here capital Q. So total charge capital Q equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3, and putting the value here, because we know that Q equal to CV, so Q1 equal to C1V, Q2 equal to C2V, Q3 equal to C3V, because the potential are same here. So putting the value, so Q equal to C1V plus C2V plus C3V, V is taken outside, and we can write here V denominator here Q upon V, and this one become C. So Cp equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So in the parallel plate capacitor, if the combination are parallel, so equivalent capacitance is equal to the sum of the individual capacitance. Okay, thank you.